exercising Article 1 of our Constitution, I will still be in that house whatever day to vote as per the wishes of the people of Kakamega. And this is my stand on this matter. One, that we cannot have a divisive nation. We cannot have a country whereby half of the country is benefiting and another half is losing. We've said this time and again, and we've insisted on this point, that we need to have a win-win formula in this conversation. We shall not accept, personally, as I said, I always thank the Almighty God for giving me this leadership. And I will not be part of a leadership that makes a decision to take away money from less fortunate counties like Turkana, like Marsabit, like Tana River, and take them to Mount Kenya. I will not accept that. There has been a wide speculation that Kakamega County is going to benefit 900 million. It is not 900 million, it's 400 million shillings. But why dangle to us a carrot of 400 million shillings? Yet, our factory here in Mumias is collapsing.
We condemn the action on the part of the police. But way forward, the Director of Public Prosecution has directed that there is no reason as to why the Senator should continue being held. And I believe, as a lawyer, I can state affirmatively, the decision by the Director of Public Prosecution is informed by the fact that there can be no valid charge in the manner in which it was intended by the police here.